All right, mistake correction time. And as always, no judgment here.
These are mistakes that come from caring, from trying, from being brave enough to open your mouth and speak. So let's look at them with kindness.
Let's fix them gently.
Mistake number 1. This one I hear all the time. Someone wants to tell a story. They say, "Yesterday, I go to the market and I buy some fruit."
Yes. Let's look at this gently. So yesterday, that is our time frame. That is the frame around the photo. It is telling everyone this is done. This is in the album. This is real. But go and buy, those are present words. They are alive. They are now. They do not belong in the album. The frame and the photo do not match.
So we need to put the words inside the frame. Yesterday, I went to the market and I bought some fruit. Now the frame and the photo match. Went and bought are both in the album. The story is complete.
Think of it this way. When your time word says this is finished, every action word in that sentence needs to agree. They all have to say, yes, we are finished too. Every word joins the album together.
Mistake number 2. This one is interesting because it comes from a completely logical place. Someone tells a story and says, "I did not went to the party," or "she did not came home."
And I love that they used did not. That is exactly right. Did not, or didn't in spoken English, is the signal for a negative past story, and that is correct. Beautiful. But here's the small detail. When did not is already in the sentence, it is carrying all the past meaning. It is doing all the past work. So the action word after it can rest. It goes back to its simple base form.
So I did not went becomes I did not go. She did not came becomes she did not come. He didn't said anything becomes he didn't say anything. They didn't went home becomes they didn't go home.
Did not already did the heavy lifting. The action word just needs to show up. It does not need to change. Think of did not as the one who carries the bag, and the action word is the one who gets to walk free.
Gets to walk free. I love it.
Mistake number 3, the question form. This trips so many people up. Someone wants to ask about the past. They say, "You went where yesterday?" Or "She said what?"
Now, interestingly, in spoken casual English, this kind of question actually does exist. It's called an echo question, and native speakers use it when they're surprised or did not hear something correctly. "She said what?" means I cannot believe that. Say it again.
Yes, but if you are asking a genuine question, if you really want to know the information, the structure shifts. The question word comes first, then the helper word did, then the person, then the action in its base form.
So where did you go yesterday? Question word, helper, person, action. What did she say? Question word, helper, person, action. How did it happen? When did they arrive? Why did he leave? Every time the helper word did announces the question, it steps forward, it leads the way.
And did is wonderful because it does the same job no matter who the story is about. Did you, did she, did they, did we, did he? It never changes. It's reliable. You can count on did.
You can always count on did. That's going on a motivational poster.
I would hang it in my kitchen.